Assalamualaikum. Today I will talk about our company profile. This is our company profile logo. Metro Manufacturing Sdn Bhd. Our company mission is to accelerate the world transition to further manufacturing, and our vision is to create the most compelling manufacturing company of the 21st century by produce the world transition the better mechanism. Organization chart. And this is our organization chart. Shahrul Nazrin as a managing director, Haziq Anwar as a project manager, Hakim as a application engineer, me as a ops support, and Haziq Shami as a engineering technician.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Anis Haziq bin Anwar, and my matric number is B0921103332. And I will explain about chapter 1, introducing and product brainstorming. So our objective of the project is to create a design of model that suitable for volleyball player training to improve the accuracy in the spike and dig the technique in volleyball. So next, scope of project focus. Okay, so scope of project focus to teach spiking skills properly. The spike trainer is a necessity. Next, the station has a crank system that allows telescope extension parts to be adjusted vertically, and lastly can also be used for other sports. So our problem statement is the athlete's focus shift to the timing of the ball, and the major component consisted of the blocking surface. Most coaches agree that among the hardest skills to teach in volleyball are proper approach, jump, and arm swing, and then getting a player to do them all the same time becomes a whole new challenge. This device makes the job easier by providing a consistent target. It will give you the freedom to really focus on the fundamental of the volleyball attack. One of the first steps we took to begin considering possible design was to establish major component of the system. The major component consisted of the blocking surface, the control system, the mechanical system, and the actuating system. Next, brainstorming. We focus to objective of our desired product, and we wanted to proceed with. Next, we focus about the future problem of our product, and lastly, discuss about the cost of our product and the upcoming process. Those related sports we will talk about is beach volleyball, takraw, aquatic volleyball, hoverball, and more. Those athletes can also take advantage of our product. Moreover, we had discussed about the future problem of our product. Most likely problem we have faced is production cost and maintenance. All these problems we can counter with a good quality and designing a product with less moving part. Less moving part mean less problem to worry about. Furthermore, we want to design something with a strong and rigid product that lasts decades without failing. In addition, we have discussed about the cost of our product and the upcoming process. We wanted to make something really good but with low cost spend. One of our main solutions is to make something out of recycled material such as recycled plastic. And lastly, the content we will discuss is the continuing of our project. Before we proceed, we have come out with a survey for us understand to target audience we dealing with. The survey we created had been released and we have the feedback from our respondent. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Hakim bin Harun and my matrix number is B0921105545. And today I will talk about chapter 2, which is the design process. In design process, we have a market survey. The market survey analysis process involves translating raw data into conclusion and solution that can be used to address issues that respondent may be experiencing. It is an important element that conducting survey-based research. Next, the survey was conducted to gather information and opinion from people of different ages, employees, ethnic backgrounds, and difficulties that consumers often face. The objective of the data analysis is to uncover user issues while practicing volleyball by obtaining the frequency distribution and percentage of respondents to measure respondent response based on the planned research item. It should also be a guide for us to get input and learn about the issue at hand. So this is the following question that have been asked to our customers, which is students. So the comment from respondent on how to solve the problem they have started, which is add court facilities such as fence around the court to avoid the ball bounce too far. Next, create a machine or robot that can make training more fun and power. Furthermore, have a partner that can be settled, and also each partner need to have more than one ball. Next, machine that's suitable speed, high angle, and affordable prices. Next, be aware of the situation and make sure your partner is in the right position before throwing the ball. Next, further practicing often with teammates on how to get the best skills and technique. Surround yourself with high caliber players that will push you to do better. This is the HOQ, which is Quality Function Development. It shows how our spike trainer works. And the product design specification, which is costing and pricing. This is the morphological chart. Pulse and builds method, which is weighted sum method. And this is the concept design sketching. Chapter 4, which is discussions. Marketing management study. The description of our product is to teach spiking skills properly. The spike trainer is a necessity. While the attacker perfects their form and hitting techniques, the spike trainer keeps the ball firmly in place. Coaches create the spike trainer, which is affordable, light, and strong. Perfect for usage at all levels of camps, clinics, and practices. The main function is the spike trainer hold the ball in spiking positions, help improving spiking techniques, reduce effort of setting ball in the air, and great for coaching observations. The market analysis. According to the poll that our group published, there are various spike trainer goods that offer the same functionality as our own. Some of the currently available spike trainer do not provide their customer the same level of durability that we did. The buyer will then frequently choose our product based on the comparison list below. So our spike trainer have harder material, large braids to support the system, more lightweight, and hold the ball firmly, while the existed product only use cheap material commonly made from alloy, have small bass, thus make the products often to tumble and more heavy. The ball is also easy to slip when the ball is in the positions. Marketing goals and objective. Our objective is to release the product, set the limit of the released product to increase demand, list to what the customer want and improve the product, improving the lifespan of our product, review the other company product to improve ours, and lastly, release surveys for customer feedback evaluations. Advertisement planning. Instagram and TikTok have been most effective platform for publishing this product. Most individuals use Instagram and TikTok throughout the day. It will be the first step in our successful use of this product to market our goods. The market budget. Based on the marketing analysis of our discussion with any crew members, we are prepared to invest up to 2,000 ringgit in this project. This contribution serves as a budget for us to launch this marketing campaign as well as means of funding improvement to the project. This is the business model canvas. Problem encountered and solution for it. There are some problems that has been encountered while constructing the model of the spike trainer. The problem that we encountered and the solution to the problem has been recorded in the table below. So the problems we have encountered, which is 1. The base of the spike trainer tends to slip when spiking the ball, and our solution is to add rubber feet underneath the base to avoid slipping on any surface. And number 2, our customer complains that the product is too heavy for them, so we change the material with lower mass but higher hardness scale. And 3, surface finish of the product were not smooth enough and tend to hurt the customer, so we use paint coating on the product with bright color that will produce smooth finish. Idea to improve the product. Simple product design. This enhancement will make it easier for the client to assemble and disassemble the device for mobility purposes and to perform maintenance on individual parts. And choosing materials based on the project's component, we choose the material required for fabrication depends on the project component. As an illustration, the project foundation was made of dense metal and the stainless steel stand that held the ball trap. Therefore, the appropriate material must be justified for the project durability. So the color of the product. We redecide the product color with brighter color and contrast for safety purposes. This will help people see the spike trainer from farther away to avoid any incidents. Next, we choose bigger ball trap. It will increase the size of the ball trap to store more ball in one cycle, so user will less often feel fatigue to refilling the ball on each spike season training, thus reducing fatigue on athletes.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Aziz Shahmi bin Muhammad Rosli. My metric number is B0921100097. Okay, I want to present chapter 3, which is product development. First, flowchart design. We start our project with a customer survey, which is we create a question survey using a Google form. Then problem analysis is we collect any problems when to do this project. Then we generate ideas to solve the problems. We got information from the article. Then we make product specification and concept generation. Then we sketch and design the product prototype using SolidWorks, and we design main part of body use polystyrene. If failed during the project, we return to concept generation. If passed, we continue to material selection. Then continue to material selection, which is we use cast iron, rubber, mild steel and cast alloy steel. Then we make the fabricate prototype and test prototype. If not function, then return to fabricate prototype. If function, let's go to the finishing. Next is product function architecture and characteristic. First, start from the ball which is put inside the ball into ball trap. Then the ball moved to arm through the rail. When the ball was delivered, there are two energies have occurred, which is potential energy and gravity. Gravity affects the connection between the rail and the base and the structure of the product. Next is CAD drawing. First is rod stand, which the most important part for this product. Attach this study, easy to assemble. Rod stand is to hold the ball track above. The rod stand can come in several sizes and colors to fit any athlete taste. Just attach it to your tackle box. Put your fishing rod inside and wait for those fish to bite. Second is rail. Ball rails are designed for moving balls through a linear process with great distribution and as little friction as possible, creating, packing and distributing the ball. Ball rail is a type of part that is important in this product. Third is base. The base stand is the stand that holds the rod. This is the bottom support for this product. This base stand has bigger ground contact surface for better stability during spiking technique were performed. Next is ball trap. This is ball compartment. It holds the ball before the ball slides onto the rail. The ball trap can hold up to 6 to 7 balls at one time, making it more efficient for athlete training. This will reduce the effort for reloading and the ball during training session. Next is arm. The arm stands functional to hold the ball that dropped from the rail. There are two arm stands that required in this model. The ball will hanging at this part and trainer can spike the ball. Next is material selection and bill of material. For this product, we had decided that the material that we use are cast alloy steel for make the rail, cast iron for make the rod and base, and we use rubber for make the arm. Besides that, ball trap is made from the mill steel. All the material that we select consider the weight and also the stability of product. If the upper part is made from heavier material, so it does not stable with the head hanging between 2 to 3 meter. Therefore, we use the heavier material for base to make sure that this product will stable and safe to use. Next is cost calculation. The discount for this product is 100 ringgit. The profit is 370 ringgit. Then the selling expenses is 100 ringgit. Next, the overhead is 150 ringgit. The tooling is also 100 ringgit. Next, the labor cost is 80 ringgit, which is during 8 hours, and the material is 300 ringgit. For the indirect cost, the value is 720 ringgit, and the direct cost is 580 ringgit. For the FMG cost is 730 ringgit, and the selling price is 1,200 ringgit. Okay, thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Syahrul Nazim bin Khalid, matric number B0921103882. So today I would like to explain about the function of our product from the mockup that we had made. So in front of me is the mockup for our products. So there are 5 parts that involved in this product, which are first the ball trap, second the rail, third is the arm, fourth is the root, and fifth is the base. So basically the process flow for these products, which is the player will throw the volleyball from the ground to the ball trap, and then the ball will move along the rail to the arm. Next, the ball will pull by the arm and hang it on the air, so the player can make a run and jump to spike the ball for their training. So I will show you the video for the simulation for our product. So that's all from me. Thank you.